The vessel requests the items to the office in the form of indent. Click the indent button. By default, the first indent will be displayed. To create a new indent, click the New button. Click the New Item button for entering the items. Start entering the items. Auto-suggest helps to enter the items. Once the description is entered, enter the quantity. Now, save the item and continue the same process for entering the remaining items. If a new item is entered which is not in the items module, upon saving the item, the user will be prompted for adding this new item to the items module. Click Yes to save the new item to the items module. Now, the item option window is displayed where the user can select appropriate group and category for this newly entered item. Choose a category. Mention the unit and reference if any. Save the item. Now, the new item is added to this category and will be displayed in the auto-suggest list from now on. Save the item and continue the same process for entering the remaining items. Once all the items are entered, select the Chief Engineer and the Master. Chief Engineer's and the Master's name can either be typed or can be selected from the drop-down list. Mention the required before date. Enter the notes if any and save the indent. This indent is now sent to the Chief Engineer for approval. The indents that are pending for approval by the Chief Engineer can be viewed by clicking the Pending Indent button. Click the Pending Indent button. The approval window is displayed. This list shows all the indents that are pending for approval by the Chief Engineer. Double-click on the indent number to display that indent details. The Chief Engineer can either approve or cancel this indent. Once the Chief Engineer approves the indent, it will be sent directly to the Master for further approval. Enter the note and click OK button. Now, the indent is sent to the Master for approval. Click the Pending Indent button. The indents that are pending for approval by the Master are displayed here. Double-click on the indent number to display that indent details. Click the Pending Indent button. The indents that are pending for approval by the Master are displayed here. Double-click on the indent number to display that indent details. The Master can either approve or cancel this indent. Click the Approved button. Now, this indent will be sent to the office for further approvals. The indent approved by the Master is sent to the Field Engineer in the office, and further, this indent is sent to the Superintendent, then to the Technical Manager, and finally to the Planning Department for approval. The Planning Department will dedicate the cost code to the indent, and it will be forwarded to the Procurement Department. Thanks!